Yes, here the answer should be C. Question number 9. Why the answer is C?
Because the plastic has like greater refractive index as it has more dense, more density.
Very good. So it is our common concept that if the medium is denser, then refractive index will be more. So remember it, huh?
Yes,
Always.
sir. Yes, sir.
Then next, which one? After 9, 10.
So 10.
10 you gave Bangladesh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, nice. Nice question. Here also you get confused after seeing magnified.
Yes, sir.
Magnified, magnified. When you saw, then you thought it is magnifying glass.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And in magnifying glass, we have virtual image, right?
Yes, sir.
But it's not about magnified image, always magnifying glass. Magnified image can be also on projector, right?
Yes, sir.
So our focus is here. They said the object image of the object on a screen. The lens forms
Yes,
a
sir.
magnified image of the object on a screen. And on a screen, if it is, then it is real image and it is inverted. Okay, it's confirmed, right?
Yes, sir.
On screen.
Yes, sir.
And you know, magnifying glass cannot produce on screen. It is virtual, right?
Yes. Virtual. Yes, sir.
So it should be projector one. That means the distance between the object and the lens is greater than the focal length. That means the object will be in between f and 2f, right? The object position will be
Oh,
between f and 2f.
the 4-number ray diagram, right?
Yeah, you just think that it is between f and 2f. Now ray diagram, you can draw any two, right? You can
Yes, sir.
draw the one will parallel with the principal axis going to the principal focus. Then another one you can show with optical center, right? Which will go without bending.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Then you'll get the image position always. For any object, you can get the image position, right? By drawing ray diagrams.
Yes, sir.
So what should be the answer for 10?
Answer should be A, I
Yes.
guess.
Yeah, because B, C, D all for magnifying glass.
Yes, sir. Next 14.
14. 14 you gave Dhaka. So 14. Okay, so here we have what happens to the frequency and the speed of the sound. You give Dhaka. Frequency stays constant, correct? And they say wavelength increases, right?
Yes, sir.
So speed should increase, right? You gave Dhaka.
Yes, sir. I give Dhaka.
Let me check again. 14, huh?
Yes, sir.
So then your answer is correct. Then you'll get another mark.
Ah,
Its wavelength increases,
oh,
right?
yes, sir.
Then
Sir,
your speed
it's
should
not
also
like
increase.
inversely proportional thing, right? It's
No,
not
it's
like that.
directly proportional. Like V equals F lambda. So F is constant. Your lambda increases. That means speed
Yes, sir.
increases.
Mm, yes,
So
sir.
your this one will get 1 mark more. 14.
Okay, sir.
Here you will get
So
34, right?
34. Yes,
And
sir.
the percentage will be how much?
Let me check, sir.
Yeah, check please.
85%.
85.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So increased, right? So your wavelength also increased,
Yes,
huh?
sir. Yes, sir.
Your speed also increased, huh? Then which one is
Yes,
next?
sir. So next is
20.
20. Yes, sir.
See, you gave C. C you gave. So it is 4 times. You got it 4 times the length.
Yes, sir. Like I got this most probably like 1 centimeter, that one 4 centimeter
Sure,
from the ruler.
sure. How? 1, 2, 3. Should it be 4 times? Again check.
Yes, sir. So
Again
I
check.
will measure with the scale, right?
Yes, yes. Scale you measure it again. Object how much and image how much.
Yes, sir. Object will be from like excluding the head part, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Including the head part till the last of the head.
Oh,
Till here where the rays start.
oh, oh. So it will be 1 point. Uh, wait, let me check. 1.34.
So 1.34. Then you take that
Yes,
one.
sir. Yes,
Take
sir.
this one.
So it will be 4.2. 4.2.
4.2. So that you get the ratio 4.2 by 1.34.
1.2. So, so it will become sir 3.13. So it is B.
This is Bangladesh, right? So
Yes,
it's
sir.
clear now, right? How to get the reading?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So it will be from the head of the
Yes,
object.
from the top of the head, where the rays start. From where we are drawing the rays. Okay. Is it clear? Hello? Ifaz? Hello? Okay. Next one is 31, right? Ifaz?
Yes, sir.
So 31, we have your one.
Yes, sir.
A, you gave A.
A. Yes, sir.
Hmm, that is not working. That.
Yes. Mm, yes, sir. Sir, Farabi does like classes with you.
Which
Al
Farabi?
Farabi. Sir, Al Farabi. He's like 1 year junior of mine.
Yeah, how do you know him?
We used to do English together.
Sorry?
Then I saw in YouTube like you like Farabi and you are like taking the class in YouTube. Then I
Oh,
realized, oh, so he does.
oh, you know him before.
Yes, sir.
How?
Like English class we used to do together. Then like
Oh,
when I was like seeing your channel in YouTube, then I realized, oh, it's Farabi's voice.
oh, I see.
Yes, sir.
So you do with Mahmoud sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
I'm
I
giving
see.
his mocks.
Okay, you also give Mahmoud sir marks.
Yes, sir.
So now you can see.
Yes, sir.
So which question? 31.
Yes, sir.
31. You gave which one?
So I give A. So I give A.
You gave A. Why you gave A?
Sir, because it is going from shallow to deep, so it should like increase
Yeah. So how it is increasing? How will understand it's increasing?
by uh, the wave length, the length between the two lines, the
Yeah,
waveforms.
yeah, yeah. So very good. You have the concept, but unfortunately, you couldn't get it. Your concept is clear. Unfortunately, you couldn't
Uh,
get the
mm,
correct answer
uh,
because you took the same gap. Like shallow water, the gap you have, the deep water also you chose the same gap. But we
oh,
see in C, the gap is only more in C.
yes, sir.
So
So
now
it
you
will be
understand.
C.
Now you understand
Yes,
the correct answer should be C, right?
yes, sir. Like, how should the pattern change? Like, should it be like AB or like CD? Like, how I'll understand that part about the
It's
pattern?
about the pattern. You do so far. We got the past paper questions. We get
Yes, sir.
that the gap is the main factor here. Okay, pattern is
Oh,
not a big deal
yes, sir.
here. Pattern also we can find. I will show you how to get the pattern. When you do a structured part, that time you might get the pattern. Okay.
Yes, sir. There was one question about drawing the waves in the
Yeah.
structure part.
Yeah, that one you might get idea how to draw the pattern. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now in MCQ part, mostly what I got that the gap, the wavelength. If you can get it clearly, then your answer you will get. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Uh, so after that, I have 39 and 40. 39.
Yeah, 39. X.
Yes,
X
sir.
is giving you virtual image, magnifying glass.
Yes, sir.
And Y is giving you larger, inverted.
Yes, sir.
That is for projector.
Inverted. Yes, sir.
So
So
what you
it should
gave?
be B.
This one, what
Uh,
you gave? Which one you gave?
so I give B in this one. I think. Uh, so as
Just,
far as I can remember, I can do. Can I
just a
check?
minute, huh?
Let me
Just a
check.
minute. Ifas, just a minute, huh? I have a call.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Ifas.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
So I give A.
thank you for your patience. Actually,
Yes.
one important call came from my colleague. That's why I had to receive. Okay, so your
Yes,
answer was A. Now you understand it should
yes,
be
sir.
B, Bangladesh, right?
Yes, sir. So A. So why it should not be A?
Yeah, because
mm,
you see, X is showing virtual image. In A, you give camera. Camera is producing real
it's like
image.
zoom in and zoom out. Oh,
Yeah,
virtually.
camera will produce a real image, but the image should be smaller. Camera eye, same.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Like you are looking at the sky and you see one one of the birds flying, right? It's showing is very small, right? One aeroplane, very
Yes,
small.
sir.
So your
Yes, sir.
eye is similar to camera. So
Oh,
it
it
should
should
be
be B.
it should be real image, and for camera it should be real image and it should be smaller image, okay, than the object. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now I
Camera
understand.
image is not here. Camera image is not given here. Here only given a magnifying glass, the first one, and the second one is projector. Projector also we say photographic enlarger, same thing, right?
Yes, sir.
So 39 is
Yes.
done, right?
Yes, sir. So it
Now
will be A.
it should be Bangladesh. The answer should be Bangladesh.
Oh, Bangladesh. Yes, sir. Bangladesh.
You gave A.
Yes, sir. I give A.
And
Should
40,
be Bangladesh. I
40,
give B over here.
and what should be the answer?
Sir, I'm not sure.
Okay, I'm showing you, no problem. If I draw, then you'll understand. Look here, the reflected ray will go like this. If it is your, if you follow the law of reflection, it's your
Yes, sir.
normal, right? It's your normal.
Oh, yes.
Yeah,
So I
your
need
normal.
to like draw the normal and then measure the
Yeah, yeah,
angle and then
yeah.
like
It's your normal. Then in between two angles, you have the same, right? I should be R. So I
yes,
should
sir.
be equal to R. Then R is here, so the reflected ray should be going to this direction, right? And it is making
Yes, sir.
90-degree with the table. It's clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So Dhaka.
So it should be Dhaka. Oh, because so why the angle that refracted ray makes with the table?
Yes,
Oh,
yes. So
oh,
table is here.
I gave with the plane mirror mistakenly.
Oh, so it's tricky question, right?
Yes, sir.
You are reading, but you are not seeing.
Yes, sir.
It's making you puzzled, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Now I understand.
we are done
That
with
was the table.
P1, right? We are
Yes,
we are
sir.
going to now P2.
Yes.
Let's go to P2.
Yes, sir.
So what you wrote, I'm checking here in the
Yes, sir.
email. This is P1, P2.
Yes, sir.
Today maybe the data transfer is very weak. That's why it's
Yes,
not
sir.
coming here.
Over here is also weak. Like
So
in my
I have
place,
to,
it's
I have
also
to,
very weak.
I have to open it from my device. Let me check from my device.
Yes, sir.
This came right.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now you
Yes,
can
sir.
see the speed of the wave. What state and explain what happens. Oh, I have to go more up.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
here.
Yes, sir.
State how a longitudinal wave differs from a transverse one. In longitudinal wave, movement of particle is parallel to wave direction. Okay, correct. Your difference is correct. So what you got here?
8.9 hertz.
8.9 hertz. So it's given 0.17. V equals f lambda, f equals v by lambda, v is 0.17 meter per second, then 0.019, then it's coming 8.9 hertz. Okay, then
Yes, sir.
said what happens to the frequency of the wave as it passes into the right hand section of the tongue. Okay, so correct. Then next, the speed the speed of the wave decreases. Using figure one state and example, what happens to the speed of the wave as it passes into the right hand section of the tank. Speed will decrease. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
speed will decrease as there is shallow water, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So it is wrong, right?
Huh?
It should be
Why wrong?
increased.
Why?
So it's like uh so it's like
They said
shallow
right
to
side,
deep.
right?
Oh, right.
Yeah, right side. So you are going from deep to shallow. It will decrease. Is correct.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. This is correct.
Underlined all the forms of the light wave, the transverse, electromagnetic. Yes, correct. Okay, so here, what is the angle here? R. Have you got the angle? 33.
Yes, sir.
So if you get
So,
here 30,
yes, sir.
if you get here 33, what should be the angle here? Theta?
Theta will be, so it
6.
will be also 33.
No,
No, 60.
no. 90 minus 33. How much?
Oh, 90 minus 90 minus
Look, this
57.
this normal and this line is parallel, right?
Yes, sir.
Line and this normal, they are parallel to each other, and this is intersection. So this one and this one, they are alternate angles, right? Alternate
Yes,
angles.
sir.
So alternate angles, if R is 33, then the angle beside theta, that is also 33. So theta will be 90 minus 33. What will be the value of theta?
Theta will be 57.
57 degree. And your critical angle is given, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the value of critical angle given here at the beginning?
So at the beginning,
Yeah. Is it given
so
here, critical
beginning,
angle?
no, sir. After like in 3 number, they asked
Oh,
about the
they
critical
asked us,
angle.
yes. So you got the critical angle 39 degree.
Yes, sir.
So if your that angle of incidence theta is, as you said, 57 degree, which is greater than critical angle, then it will be total internal reflection, right?
Total internal reflection.
So
Yes.
here you got
It was,
wrong, right?
yeah. Yes, sir. So
So
I
you
will
draw it
lose
now correctly with,
one more.
yeah, you draw it now
Yes.
correctly, and here the ray will maintain the law of reflection, right? If theta is 57
Yes, sir.
degree,
It
then
will be
here also will be
56.
57
Yes.
degree. It will go here, right?
Yes, sir.
This ray.
Yes, sir. It will go out of the glass block.
Yeah, it will go out of the glass block later, after this.
Oh,
We will
yes,
check.
sir.
We will check here also.
Oh,
Will it go to the out or in? We will check it. How will check? Again, we'll check. There is angle, right? Angle of incidence. What is the
yes, sir.
value? So you draw here, huh? Correctly.
Yes, sir.
Do you have
Yes,
red
sir. I
pen?
have
Red
drawn.
pen. Do you have red pen?
Uh, red pen. No, sir. I'm using the pen.
No problem. You use pen and correct it, huh?
Yes, sir.
Correct it, because if you do the correction now, it will be your note. Huh? This way you draw.
Yes,
Huh?
sir.
Draw here.
Yes.
This way, maintain the angle, right? Till here. Okay, then we are having again here normal, right?
Yes, sir. So I'll
Draw.
draw the perpendicular line.
Yeah, perpendicular line
First.
here. Draw it here. This way you draw the normal. Then your angle is going from denser to rarer medium, right?
Yes, sir.
So
So
your
it will increase.
angle is now again it will be 33 degree, right?
Yes, sir.
Because if it is
Yeah.
57, it is 33, then again alternate angle 33, then your angle of emergence will be 60 degree, okay? Like this. The
Yes.
ray is coming, it will also goes out
Yes, sir.
or emergent this way, right? This will be 60 degree. Okay,
Yes, sir.
is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Now it's clear. So the ray will again go out with
Go
60
out with
degree
the
angle.
same angle. That is
Yes,
called
sir.
angle of emergence.
Yes. So angle of emergence is always equal to the angle of incidence.
In the first angle of incidence, in the first, what should I say? First surface. Okay,
Yes,
that
sir.
one. So it's clear now, right? So you give your -2.
Yes, sir.
In
Yes.
drawing, you give your -2.
Yes, sir. I have given -2.
Then on here, draw the path of the. Okay. State and explain what happens to the line when it's at x, y. So you will have here -2, -2, -4, right? 2 -2, isn't it?
Uh, yes, sir. But
Or
sir,
or
speed decreases.
no, that one you are correct. I'm saying about this one. You see, state and
Oh,
explain
yes,
what
sir.
happens to the light when it strikes side xy. The light bends as its speed decreases while moving to more dense to less dense. Medium
Oh,
and
yes,
light
sir.
come
Yes,
back
sir.
to its initial speed. So
It will.
it will be
It will be
long.
total internal reflex.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this part you get -2, and also drawing part you get -2, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now question 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Question 2. Let us see. Explain what is meant by ultrasound. A sound with frequency more than 20 kilohertz and it cannot be heard by human ear. Correct. Then ultrasound is emitted by a microphone. What you said? Microphone.
Yes, sir. It is like emitted by a device, right, sir?
Yeah. Is it microphone or other devices?
Sir, it's like a sound emitter kind of
Yeah,
device.
yeah. It's not microphone. It's other things, right? It's sensor type
Oh,
device, right? So
yes, sir.
ultrasound is emitted by a device to the body. The
Yes, sir.
tissues of the body reflects ultrasound back and is uh, reading taken by the detector, which is displayed on the screen. Okay, correct.
Sir, I will get -1 over here.
Not -1. It's just ignore it. Huh? Microphone you ignore. Okay, then we have here the
Sir,
gamma.
will they cut marks for it in
No,
O
no,
level?
no, no, no. Gamma ray, ultraviolet,
Oh,
then microwave.
yes, sir.
Then you gave tick, right? Three ticks,
Yes, sir.
correct. Then we have V equals F lambda. Then you have 3.2 into 10 to the power 14, correct. Yes. Explain how infrared radiation is used to in television. There is spot in the remote where infrared these signals into the recommended work. The radiation acts like giving signals. Actually, the infrared radiation is converted
Yes.
to electric signal in the TV, right? And that one,
Yes.
that is actually again convert it to uh, you know, what should we say? First we give the
Okay.
uh, first
Ele-
we give the electromagnetic wave, infrared. That one is converted to uh, electric signal, right? In the television.
yes,
Then
sir.
again, that
Yes,
electric signal is converted to light signal, right? So this way we will write the
yes.
information over here.
Sir, can you say it again? Infrared is converted to electrical signal, and electrical signal is converted to light
Yeah, yeah,
form.
yeah. This one actually a little bit. What is my observation is not
Yes, sir.
inside your syllabus. This process actually is related to A level ideas. Okay,
Oh,
this part.
so that's why I was like confused. What should I write? I
Yeah, yeah.
just
This one actually not inside from your syllabus. Okay, then we are giving here you marks, 2 out of 2, no problem. Then D, let's see.
yes, sir.
The refractive index of the glass for green light is 1.5. Draw the normal for this ray. Yes. Normal is mark the angle of incidence. Yes. The angle of incidence is 57 degree. Mark the calculate the angle of refraction. So you got 34 degree. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Said what happens as the light enters the glass to the light frequency unchanged, speed decreases, wavelength decreases. Correct. On figure 2.3.2, draw the path taken by the light as it passes through the glass and into the air. So it will not split, single color will go. Huh? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it was green, still it will be green, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Your drawing is also correct. Then next, we have stated the name of the component labeled. Uh, Shaded region, right?
Yes,
See,
sir.
A is here ultraviolet, B is here infrared, C is here micro. Yes, correct. Smallest frequency, greatest frequency, smallest wavelength. State the name of the component of the electronic spectrum that has, yes, greatest frequency, smallest wavelength, gamma rays. Explain how X-rays are used to reproduce an image of a broken bone in a patient's leg. Yes, correct. State the speed of light in vacuum, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8. Red, orange, yellow, blue, red, orange. Vibgyor.
Yes, sir. So
Yes.
I gave the indica one.
Yeah.
The,
So here an object figure 5.1 shows. Uh,
yes, sir.
so it should go through this F1, right? This line,
Yes,
dotted
sir.
lines.
Yes.
It's little bit up. We see it's going little bit up. It should go little bit down, right? So that it can
Oh,
bring
yes.
this, you bring this dotted lines till here, crossing this.
Oh, Okay, sir.
then it will be accurate.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, sir, let me like cross the F1 part, right?
Yeah, yeah, you should cross this F1 part, this parallel line one.
Yes.
If you extend back,
Yes, sir.
you should cross the F1. And before drawing this line, listen, before drawing this
Yes, sir.
ray, you draw it from here, okay? Then it will come automatically. Is it clear? Don't
Oh,
draw it first.
yes.
You take the ray from here. These 2 points you make the your basic, or the base.
Yes, sir.
So this F1 and this
Oh.
optical
So
axis
I will
F1
draw the dotted line first.
first.
Then I will
Yes,
draw
yes.
the
Then it will
yes.
continue. That will be correct, appropriate.
Oh, I get it. Yes,
Got
sir.
it now?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes you have to use some technique, right, to draw it correctly.
Yes, sir.
So this
Yes,
technique you
sir.
should apply.
Yes, sir.
So your focal length is 6 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
Height of the image you got 1.4. So it is accepted range. We can take it.
Oh,
1.4, right?
yes, sir. So what is the range
Yeah,
though?
you
It's
got,
like
oh, you got 1.8. I think you did it wrongly, because it should be 1.8, right? Because 5 small square is 1. So you took 4 small square, and 4 small square should be pointed, right? Isn't it?
oh, oh yes.
So 1.8, it should be 1.8. The
1.8.
the range
Yes, sir.
is from 1.6 to 2, like that. Okay. If you take the range, we can accept it
Yes, sir.
always.
Oh, yes.
And your one is not exactly 1.8. It should be below 1.8. It should be like
Yes,
1.6
sir.
or 5, like that.
Yes.
Okay.
It
So draw
is.
it correctly.
Yes, sir.
So check how much is coming. Check.
Yes, sir. So, sir, it will be 1.6 divided by this one,
Yeah, yeah.
right?
Yeah, 1.6 divided by 3. So you got it. It is ECF. Beside your this answer, you write ECF. Then I will not cut mark here.
So
ECF means
ECF means
error corrected forward, because here you did one
yes.
mistake, and that's why this error came. But your process, your formula, everything is correct. That's why we will
Oh,
not cut here mark.
oh. So like in O levels, if I do one mistake and like they will not cut the
Yeah, you
marks.
will not
Wow.
hang. They will not hang you many times for the same crime.
Oh, that is nice. Wow.
That is called error
That is
corrected forward. ECF.
wow. That's good. So I will get here one.
Yeah, yeah, one. Here you give -1, huh?
Yes, sir.
Here you give
And
minus
the
one. The height
two
of the
one I'll get -1 also, right?
which
Like out
one?
of
This
four, I'll
one.
get
This
yes,
one.
sir.
Yeah, this one
Yes,
also you give -1.
yes, sir.
Oh, if it goes from
Yes, sir.
explain why the wavefront change as the light enters the glass. When waves moves from less dense to more dense medium, their speed and wavelength decreases for the difference in refractive index says the waveforms change direction. Yeah, actually, yeah, because of the speed changing,
Yes, sir.
that is also accepted. You are saying refractive index changes. Okay, then describe what is
So I
meant by.
wrote about the speed and wavelength.
Yeah, you wrote about that one before.
Yes, sir.
So we are accepting. Now from 6 we will
Yes,
continue
sir.
after Maghrib. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Yes.